Next, I'm just going to clean the points with some very fine wet and dry. I'm looking at the gaps as well. They look a little wider than 15 thousandths, so I'll check those after I've run the bike, make sure everything's running okay. I'm just going to close the points down. Well, I couldn't wait another second, guys. In spite of the snow, and it's not cold at all actually, so snow's falling all around. We've had the second highest snowfall here in Oregon just during these last few days, but thankfully the sun came out and it's thawing out, and so I couldn't wait for another second to pull the bike out. I think I've procrastinated long enough, so I've just put some fuel in the gas tank, just a little bit of non-ethanol fuel. I've kicked the bike over several times, about 20 times, just to get the oil circulating. I did turn the taps on of the gas taps and fuel started pouring out. So I've tightened some of the nuts up, but I'm not too pleased with these fuel pipes, but we'll see how they go. Might just need a little adjusting. And then I think that's it. So let's try and start this bike. Flood the carburetors again. Yeah, it's dripping out of the other end. I think there's enough fuel in there just to get the bike started. 1, 2. Got my boots on. Oh. I think I tried too hard. Haha! Success! Oh, it's run out of fuel. I had the taps turned off. Okay, try again. Yeah, I don't want it dripping all over the hot engine. Yeah, it's dripping. Well, that's better. Well, the stop switch works. Well, that's it for now, guys. I'm so thrilled with the bike. I'll continue to fine-tune this and give you an update, hopefully in the next video. All right, well, I'll see you again next week. See ya. Awesome. Awesome. Go on then, one more time. Just for fun. I think I'm used to kicking a commando a bit harder. Definitely.